In this video, we're going to go over how you can get gems for free here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want free gems here in Clash Royale, here's exactly how you can get them. First things first, I recommend checking the shop. Not just once, but every single day. Sometimes you'll get free gems as a limited time offer. Today I only got gold, but gems do pop up, so keep checking. On top of that, I recommend farming gems through masteries. This is by far the best way to farm gems, and champion cards give you up to 100 gems as mastery rewards, and these can add up very quickly if you play consistently. Occasionally, limited time events and challenges also do reward gems. The Wizard Evo one that just occurred a few days ago rewarded gems, but obviously it's gone for me now since I've already completed it. But the best way to get free gems is actually by placing high in global tournaments, because these can reward you with a ton of free gems. So if you're competitive, this is a solid method too. But that's it. That's all the ways to get gems for free here on Clash Royale. For more videos like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.